Breakfast.
Time for breakfast, little one. Ready for the swings, sweetie.
Race you to the tree. You can't catch me, Kid Cat.
We're going so fast! You're almost there. Keep pedaling.
Go, go, go! Woohoo! Faster, faster!
Go, Kid Cat. You're almost there.
We're gonna win!
Hooray! You made it! Congratulations, everyone! That was a long race. I'm exhausted. You did great, though. Hello, everyone. What a beautiful afternoon. This spot is perfect, everyone. Look how shiny these apples are. Is the honey ready yet, Bo?
The music fill the...
Nine, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Found you.
Here is the soup, everyone!
It looks delicious, Mom. I'm so glad we could all have lunch together. This soup turned out perfectly. Wonderful job, everyone.
We make a great team.
Yes, almost done, Mother Cat.
Wow, look at all the colors! All right, everyone, let's get started.
I'm grabbing the blue clay. Look what we made, everyone!
They look amazing, especially the flowers. Shading is coming along beautifully, Mother Cat.
Bravo! That looks absolutely wonderful!
Yay! Mommy's the best artist in the world! Once upon a time, in a land far away, lived a brave little mouse who dreamed of adventure. Far beyond the whispering woods and over the sparkling stream, there was a secret place where dreams were grown.
And so they lived happily ever after.
Yay! That was the best story ever! This is going to be the best picnic ever!
I can't wait to eat the cookies.
Are you doing okay with the wagon, sweetie?
It's easy, Mom. The meadow looks beautiful. The meadow is absolutely beautiful today.
It is.
Who wants the first cookie?
Bravo! That was amazing!
Yay! We did it!
Look, it's flying! Let's run down the hill! Faster! This is great! Higher! Higher! Look at the colors!
It's magnificent!
I see the sailboat star.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Good night, Mama.
Hush now, soft kitty, sleep tight. Wrapped in your blanket.
Here is the soup, everyone! It looks delicious, Mom.